Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp banned due to spam. If you're using WhatsApp and you're facing the issue that your account has been banned or has been suspended or restricted due to spam, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back and you have to make sure that you're using the official WhatsApp app. If you have installed it from any other site, it might be APK file or it might be any other app store. So you have to go ahead to your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store and just go for search, and you have to simply search for WhatsApp, and you just have to try to install it from here, or you can also try to update it from your app store or your play store, so it might get the official version of your WhatsApp. So once you have updated or reinstalled, after reinstallation you have to simply go ahead to your browser. It might be Chrome or just Safari browser. Here just go for search, and you have to simply search for WhatsApp. So let's say I'm gonna search for WhatsApp here. Now on this section you have to select whatsapp.com, and here you just have the three horizontal lines in the top left. Now select help center. So basically you're trying to contact or you're trying to appeal for your spams. So if you doesn't have any spam, but you can also try to appeal to fix your issue. So select this about temporarily banned account. So select this, and here you'll get some different articles. So in here you can know that why your account has been banned. So you just have to select this no option from here. So you can see that this answer your question. So you have to select the no option, and here you have to select any option from here. Let's say I'm going to select the second one, which is the solution doesn't work. So I'm going to select this one, then tap on the select option here. Now in this section is very important. You just have to try to appeal for your spams. So here you have to try to make an appealing description or an appealing paragraph in which you can describe your issue which you're facing, and after doing that you can also try to enter your phone number and your mail address. So once you have done or you have entered everything, just tap on the submit option here. So once you have submitted your appeal, it will take almost 1 hour, 2 hour, or sometimes it might take 24 hours. So after 24 hours your account will be unbanned or unrestricted. You can also try to go to your settings app, go to general, and go to iPhone storage here, or if you're using any Android phone, so you can try to clear cache and storage of your WhatsApp app, or on your iPhone. You just have to go ahead to your WhatsApp app in your settings, tap on offload app, and just tap on offload app again. So it will completely offload your apps if there will be any bug or any malware with your WhatsApp app. It will be fixing this tab and will not get the issue again. Just tap on the reinstall app option, and after reinstallation every issues will be fixed. You just have to try to retry in up to 24 hours and in up to 2 or 3 hours, and your issue will be fixed and you will be easily logged into your account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.